So alright guys, right now we replace this battery from the black phone or BP1 edition to replace my Bluetooth speaker from 800 milliampere hour to this black phone 2000 milliampere hour. So right, we are have solder here ready. Solder is ready. We also solder the plus and minus connector in the battery. Okay, now we will connect the wire to the battery and with the solder. I'm sorry for the camera, it's not really good, maybe not good yet, because I'm using my old phone. Okay, let's soldering wire to connect the battery. The, the black wire has ready soldered, and then the red one. Okay. Oh, it's already connected. Let's try to turn on. Oh my god, I think the battery is too low. I think we need to charge it. First. I think yeah, we need to resolder again to make the wire and the battery connected strongly. the result is look like this one. Okay, we already soldering connect the wires to the battery platform with 2000 milliampere hour, and we right now wanna take a test to play some music. Of course, no copyright sound.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Alright, thank you for watching my video. Hope this video will help you who have the same problem like me with the Bluetooth speaker. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks.